Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a record in QuickBase using PDF.co and Zapier. Let's start. We'll be using this sample PDF for this tutorial and use document parser to get the data in it. Here, I've already created a template to get the data of the sample PDF. This is the table where I will insert the data. Time to create a Zap. Click Create Zap on your Zapier dashboard. For the trigger, search and select Google Drive from the list of apps. Then, select New File in Folder as the trigger event. After that, select or connect your Google Drive account. Now, select the drive and the folder where your file is located. Once you're done, you may now test the trigger. Let's proceed with creating an action. Search and select PDF.co as the action app. As for the action event, select Document Parser. Then, select or connect your PDF.co account. Now, it's time to set up the action parameters. Under Input, insert the URL to your file. Just type Web Content Link to automatically get the URL of the file from your Google Drive. After that, type in the template ID that you're going to use. Then, click Continue. Once you're done setting it up, you may now test the action. When the test runs successfully, you can see the data that was extracted from the PDF file. Now, to add the data to QuickBase, you need to create another action. Search and select QuickBase from the list of apps. Then, select Create Record as the action event. After that, select or connect your QuickBase account. Now, time to set up the QuickBase action parameters. Select the application and the table where you want to create the new record. Then, fill up the columns with the data that you got through PDF.co. Then, click Continue. After setting it up, you may now test it. Once the test returns as successful, you may now see that there's a new record in your QuickBase. That's it for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our YouTube channel or on our website. Thanks for watching.